Today, we'll walk you through the steps to download and install BlueStacks on your PC or laptop. BlueStacks is incredibly handy, offering access to a wide range of apps and games. Before we start, please subscribe this channel, and your like is most important for us, so please like this video. To get started, open Google and in the search bar type BlueStack. Once you're on the main website, you have the option to download BlueStacks 10 or 5. In this guide, I'll be choosing version 5. Click on your preferred version and the download will begin. Next, open your File Explorer and navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the installer, double-click it, and run it. When prompted by the Windows permission pop-up, click Yes to proceed. You'll then see the installation screen where you can select the install location. Click Install Now in the bottom right corner after agreeing to the terms of use. Once the installation is complete, BlueStacks will automatically open. Head to the App Center to start exploring apps and games. To install an app, like Shop Titans for instance, sign in to your Google account. After signing in, click on the app, hit Install, and wait for it to download. When the installation finishes, you can either click Play to launch the app or press the Home button located in the bottom right or top left corner of BlueStacks. The app will now be visible on your home screen. Enjoy using BlueStacks and discovering all the apps and games it has to offer.